Hi everyone, and welcome to another part of these Solidity tutorials. In this part we're going to create a contract called UniqueNames, and using this contract we'll be able to check whether a name is a unique one or it is not unique. So we'll enter the names one by one, and if the name is not unique, then it will revert the execution of it. And we can also check the uniqueness of the names by checking them or retrieving them. So this is a very simple smart contract, but a very useful one for bigger smart contracts. So it's also a very good practice for learning some of the things that we have already learned, or reviewing them actually. So here we can create a new file and call this uniquenames.so, and just as always we can copy and paste the first two lines of it. And now here we can create a contract called UniqueNames. UniqueNames. So let's open the brackets, and we've got a mapping here, string to bool, string to bool, and it is a private one, private nameExists. So this is a mapping to from the name to the status of the name, whether it exists or not. So we'll define an event nameAdded. So whenever a name is added, the event will be activated. String name. Let's set the smaller. And then we've got the function and add name. So we'll add the name, and it will get string memory name instead of it. String memory name, and a public function. Open the brackets, and it will require that the name does not exist, right? Name. So require that not name exists. Otherwise, it will show to the user name already exists. So now we will set the name exists of the name equals to true, so that whenever anybody searches for the name, will show them that the name exists. And then emit nameAdded, name added name. This is the event that will emit. So we have also another function for viewing that existence of the name. So function is name taken, is name taken. So we'll get string memory name, public, and views and returns bool. Views returns bool. Here we go, and it will return the status of the existence of the name. So name exists of the name, and here we go. So now let's save this, see if there's any errors. There are any errors. So did you intend to add public? Oh, it's public, not public. Okay, so let's save this. Another error here. So it's actual view, not views. There we go, and it's been successfully compiled. Now let's deploy the smart contract here. Let's deploy it and open it. Here you can enter a name like Sarah, add the name, and if you check Sarah again, you'll see that it's true, so it exists. So if you add the name again, it will revert it, so you cannot enter it again. So here I can enter Carrigan, add the name, and here you can add Mike. So you can check Mike whether it exists or not. As you can see, it's true. So let's check another name, for example, Michael here, like this. As you can see, it's false, so Mike is different than Michael, so we can add Michael. So it is also sensitive to small and capital letters, so be careful about that. So if I, for example, check Michael with capital letters at the beginning, it will show false, and I can add this Michael as well. So let's copy and paste it, add the name. As you can see, it's been added. So that's it. There's nothing fancy about this smart contract as opposed to the previous ones, which were a bit more complex. This is for the practice of some of the stuff that we've learned already, and so that you can also use this very simple smart contract whenever you need it for other things, not names, but for example for the items or for strings generally. So that's it for this part of the tutorial, and until the next one, goodbye.